This is day 2 of working on the Ford Mustang. Currently getting it set up to go up on quick jacks. We have the supercharger kit that's going in and the front bumper off. We have to switch out the grills and the front lip for the new splitter design. Yeah, we're about to get started. We're going to be installing the Ford Performance Supercharger today. To get started, we obviously have to do some basic teardown, take out the strut bar, the engine cover, obviously the intake, and start tearing into everything. And there'll be a lot more to take apart then. Tearing into a brand new engine. As you can see here, the throttle body is spotless. Obviously, you've seen that I've gotten the strut bar, the engine cover shroud out, and the intake out. Everything's looking good. Still have to tear into a lot of stuff to get the intake manifold and everything out so we can do the supercharger setup. Steve's going ahead and opening up all the packaging for the Ford Performance Supercharger. There are 4 boxes in total, 4 very sizable boxes. We're gonna go ahead and take everything out of the box and get it on the table just to lay out everything that we have and know what we gotta work on. Very first box. Ooh. Very well packaged. I'm gonna put the camera down so I can get this out of the box. Alright, here's box number 2. And it is the supercharger unit. Go ahead and Steve's got it. Beautiful. box number 3. There's a lot of other little boxes.
Probably hardware. Pretty heavy, except for that. Upper airbox cover. Airbox cover, I think it was.
Yep.
Bracket components. I'm feeling this is hardware. Really heavy.
Tear into like a Christmas present.
The one part's going everywhere. Ah. Nope. What the heck?
Is there hardware in there?
Probably. Actually, oh, it's the pulley. Yep. It's the pulley. And some belts, another pulley setup. There's a radiator.
It says on the box. Nice. Very nice. And the last and final box, let's see what's here. Looks like another part of the intake. Yeah, here. Oh. The rest of the intake. Very well packaged. Extremely well packaged. Let's see what's left in here. Intake kit components and the actual, let me see what this is. Oops.
Fuel rails.
All fuel components.
Injectors.
Yeah. The very last box.
hoses.
Lots of hoses and last piece of the intake and miscellaneous parts. Sweet, everything's here. So currently, Steve's able to get the front strut out. We had problems with yesterday. It is on, right on there. That is Ariaan. On the phone with O'Reilly's, we need to rent a few tools. Currently in the process of taking the intake manifold and the fuel line out. Steve's working on the other side strut. Making pretty good progress.
One pathetic sob story later.
Alright, so we're making some pretty good progress here. Ariaan has been prepping everything. Have the intake manifold off. Obviously the intake goes out. He's marking the areas where we're gonna grind and retap. Steve's on the other side of the car, putting the suspension back together. So lowering springs are on now. On the front, there's a nice shot of it. And he had to uncompress the caliper to get the caliper back on. So he's wrapping up with that, and we're just gonna keep on going.
So let's check back in on the progress. So we're all done with the front end as far as suspension goes. Mike's just cleaning up the wheels, and we're gonna bring this car back down so that way we have a little bit more room to work with. So Ariaan here is getting ready to cut that. So that's part of the block. Don't need it, so we gotta cut it off. So safety first. Got a full face shield right there. And all right, let's go. So pretty quick work of that. I mean, it is an aluminum block, but we got a brand new blade. So there it goes, and we're gonna clean it up. Have to these ribs right here. You have to grind those smooth and flatten up a little bit more so we can get the pulley system bolted up to it. All right, guys.
Steve's loading up the laptop for some more details on some of the stuff we're not sure about on the install. Ariaan's here again helping out. Thank you very much. Definitely appreciate it. So yeah, we're making pretty good progress here. It's coming along, got a ways to go, but really excited to get this done. Making some great progress here. As you can see, the blower and manifold's on, and a lot of the plumbing's already finished as well.
Thing behind the bumper.
Ariaan's gonna be working on the pulley setup and a couple other small things, and getting the belt, and we're gonna be working on the bumper, getting the splitter, the front lip, and the new front grills on.
The lip just screws onto where that underpiece goes.
Okay. On the what?
That underpiece,
Okay.
I think it just screws right in. Where the